How to add staff member. Managing your team in IT-Land CRM is a breeze, especially when it comes to adding new staff members. To add a new staff member, simply click on the Staff tab and then hit the Add Staff button. From there, you'll need to fill out some basic information about the new staff member, such as their username, email, phone number, and full name. Once you've added their information, you'll need to assign them an access level. There are 4 options to choose from. Admin, this access level gives the user full rights to the system. Staff, this access level allows the user to access queries, tickets, and tasks. Card printer, this access level allows the user to print cards and block or unblock them. Finance, this access level allows the user to add or deduct credit from a client's account. Once you've chosen the access level that's appropriate for your new staff member, hit the Add Staff button and you're done. If you want to send a welcome email to your new staff member, simply select the Notify User option before hitting the Add Staff button. Thanks for using IT-Land CRM. We hope this guide has been helpful to you.
If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to talk to us or request a call back via itlands.com.